Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how you can dismantle your Recaro Young Sport child seat, and basically there are two different cases when this might be needed. And the first one is when it just gets dirty, right? There might be some spillages or some nasty stuff and it's time to wash it. Then you would want to remove all the clothing stuff. And the second thing is like this child seat is good for small babies and not so small babies. So basically it has like two modes. Either you can fixate your child with the belts that are on the seat itself, and when your kid is big enough you can actually lock the kid with the car seat belts, right? And then those child seat belts might not be as comfy for your kid, at least it is for mine. So then you would want to remove all of the belts from the seat itself. And I'm not going to comment any further, so you can just watch the video and hopefully you'll understand like how you can do that.